This is how it all began.
What in the crap is that? Hey, who's that? Hey, what are you doing on my swing? No. Get off! No. What are you, drunk? No. An idiot? No. Weird? No. Tired? No. Well, guess what? No. No. You are an idiot. No. You have 2 minutes before I call the cops. No. Still here? I will. No. No. 2 minutes later. Yeah, get out of my arm! No. Get out. No. Get out. No. Come on, get out of my arm. No. No, don't hit me. Don't hit me with that. No. Oh! It's not over yet. So I said, no! Come on, get up.
And that's how it became.
Ah! Ah!
The end.